Cable Management Kit 192 PCS.
The N NOROCME 192 PCS Cable Management Kit features a comprehensive assortment of cable organization tools, including sleeves, clips, straps, and ties, designed to declutter spaces around computers and entertainment systems effectively. Comprehensive variety of organization options. This kit includes an extensive range of components like cable sleeves, clips, and ties, ensuring users have the right tools for various cable management needs. Premium quality and durability. Made from high-quality materials, each item in the kit is built to last, providing a reliable solution for long-term cable organization. Easy installation process. The user-friendly design allows for straightforward installation without the need for drilling or complex setups, making it accessible for everyone. Strong adhesive for most surfaces. The adhesive backing on the cable holders offers strong support on most surfaces, keeping cables securely in place and reducing clutter. Inconsistent adhesive quality. While many users praise the adhesion, some report issues with the adhesive failing, particularly on textured surfaces or after some time. Potential overkill for simple needs. With 192 pieces included, the kit may be excessive for users with minimal cable organization needs, leading to unused items. Installation instructions lack clarity. Certain users found the instructions for using various components unclear, causing confusion during setup. Some components smell initially. A few customers noted an initial smell from the materials, which may be off-putting until aired out after unpacking. The N NOROCME Cable Management Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to organize their cables effectively, offering a wide variety of tools to suit different needs. However, potential buyers should consider the adhesive quality, as it may not perform well on all surfaces. Overall, it's a great choice for tackling cable chaos, but might be excessive for those with simpler requirements.
Are you excited to make a purchase, or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!